how do you play all of the keys on the piano? Do you know how many are on the piano? Like on a typical piano, there are 88 keys. Does your piano have 88 keys? That is the standard, but it's also variable. So every once in a while you have a keyboard that's just a little bit shorter than 88. And in the piano museum that I went to in Rome, highly recommend if you ever go to Rome, there were such a wide variety of sizes of keyboards. You know, some were just a couple of octaves, some were a full 7 octaves like we've got, or not quite, it's like 7 plus a few. Anyway, so how do you play all of the notes on the keyboard? Well, basically, you play all the black keys with your tallest finger. So your middle finger is going to play all the black keys, and your thumb is going to play all the white keys, with one exception. In between the black keys, there are 2 whites. So when you get to those junctions in between the black keys, then you also need to get your pointer finger involved. So we're going to use our 1s on the white keys in between blacks, and then when there are 2 in a row, then you do 1 and 2. And then on all of the black keys, for the entire keyboard, you use your 3rd finger, your middle finger, your tallest finger, okay? So this is how you play a chromatic scale, and the fingering is the same no matter where you start. The fingering is the same whether it's right hand or left hand. So it's just thumbs on white, 3rd finger on blacks, and then when you have an extra white note in a row, then you use your 2nd finger to fill in that gap. All right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every time there's a white key, I'm using my thumb, unless there are 2 in a row, and then I do 1 and 2. Now, 3rd finger plays every single black key. Always 3rd finger on the black keys. This is called the chromatic scale, when you play every single note, black and white, in a row. Okay? That's how you do it with the right hand going up. It would be the same fingering with the right hand going down. It just feels a little different because you're kind of rolling your 3rd finger over your thumb coming down. But it's the same concept. 2, 1 in the white key spaces, and then just 3, 1, 3, 1 everywhere else. So you have to do a little planning ahead to get your 2nd finger to play that extra white note when you're coming down. Plan ahead, 2nd finger, thumb. Plan ahead, 2nd finger, thumb. Okay? It's really fun to get those going and get them really fast. All right, with the left hand, it's the same exact fingering. I'll just show you. We have 1s and 2s on the white keys, mostly 1s, but when there are 2 in a row, then you do 1s and 2s, and then 3rd finger on the black keys. It's as simple as that. So starting at the top of the keyboard, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's going down. Coming back up, it's going to feel a little bit trickier because you're going to have to plan ahead for that 2nd finger to fill in the gap when you have 2 white keys in a row. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. Chromatic scales. Hope you learned something. Let me know what your questions are and tell me how it goes when you practice. Do you like my overhead keyboard view? Is it upside down, and is that confusing for you? Tell me what you think.